Alright, greenhouse gas emission, copper and scrap. First, greenhouse gas emission. Producing electrical cables is essentially refinement of raw materials. It's what we put in the cables that drives the greenhouse gas emissions of our products. For example, the refinement of copper or aluminium. A lot of the processes that we are using to make metals cost a lot of energy, especially if we make it from primary metal. But on the other hand, if we just remelt stuff, it costs far less energy. Okay, copper. Many things to say about copper. Electrical cables rely on high purity copper. Copper wiring makes up maybe 70% of the cable, and it's a fantastic conductor. We need a lot of it, but we don't have enough to build out of the future. Grid and renewable energy system requires a lot of metals. That means a lot of excavation and mining, and even then we will not have enough bauxite for aluminium. On the other hand, that we have enough of. Last one then, scrap. Nothing is really scrap. We need to make most of what is out there. For us, that means, for example, taking care of all this overland land cable, subsea cable, take out the metal and put it back into purpose, meaning electrical conductors for cables. The good thing is that this is an extremely efficient process. Copper and aluminium can be recycled as many times as you want without losing any of its properties. And again, this costs just a small fraction of the CO2 emissions compared to the primary metal. Massive amounts of copper can be recycled from the electrical grid at the end of its service life. This is a pretty good opportunity.